Okay, so I'm doing this as a voiceover as the audio wasn't too good. So what happened was about 2 weeks ago, I went to take my favorite Commodore for a drive and the key wouldn't turn. So it was stuck in the lock mode. Um, it seemed to be very convinced that it didn't want to turn. So I ordered a barrel online from the local New Zealand auction, the main auction site, which is Trade Me. Cost $65 New Zealand, which isn't too bad. So it arrived. So here I am trying to free the key. Um, so just I figured that the pins were just a little bit jammed up. So I thought maybe if I gave them a bit of a tap, I might be able to get them out. So that didn't work at this point. I didn't want to put too much pressure with the fob. So what I did next was I decided to take the actual fob off. So removing the fob. After that, I sort of decided to use a vice grip and inappropriately use a ratchet again to turn the key with not a lot of force. I didn't use much force at all trying to turn it, and I also didn't hit it too hard. Didn't want to put a lot of pressure on it. So here comes the vice grip, a little bit of tapping, and out popped the key. So you'll see that very shortly. Or sorry, out popped the barrel. So there it goes. Sorry, let it turn. So once you turn it, you can then get it into the ignition position, and then I just use the little hook pick, and out it popped. So, and out comes the barrel. So this is the bit that's causing me all the problems, presumably. So obviously now that it's unstuck, I don't necessarily know what caused it to stick, but what I can do is now go and get my new barrel, key it to suit the same key, and we'll be able to put that barrel in position, and then hopefully I'll be able to drive my lovely V8 again, because I have really missed it. With my new barrel. So I've keyed it to the key, nice and smooth. So I've got some lithium grease there and on the main lock, key lock just up here. So about the movement on the there we go. Can't have just been quite in the right position. Easy when you get it right, isn't it? Okay. Plug me key back in. Now theoretically we should be almost ready to get going again. So Commodore, quite a good clean up. So theoretically get some V8. Oh, I have missed that noise. I have so missed that noise. So that's it. So that's
taking out a sticky, jammy old ignition bell and putting in a new keyed one. So the reason I bought one that I could key myself was I didn't want a new key. So I wanted to retain the original key of the car. So yeah, it's easy to do. I didn't show it just because I didn't want to show the pin order of my car for obvious reasons, because you could cut a key for it then. Not that, you know, not that many people know who I am, but however, just to be on the safe side. But it's actually pretty easy. I might show one, just in a random key configuration, just to demonstrate what it's like. So that's it. I now have my V8 back. 2 weeks, 1 day. A long time. Well, felt like a long time. Okie dokie, thank you for watching. Goodbye.